This is a 2011 Impreza sedan. Now, after you do that, let's go to remove this little guy here. It should just pop out ever so slightly without breaking it. Boom. There's a little clip right here. Don't try to yank it from here, you'll rip it. You need to pop out this way and then slide this way. And then you can pull the, if you got speakers, it's the same deal. This is speaker wire right here. For that, door panel. Move that out of the way. You got 1, 2, 3. Have to remove them. 1, 2, 3. Boom. Out of the way. Now, door panels are held on by clips. You can get if you can get behind it somehow, right here. Boom. See that right there? And just give it a little bit of a tug, and you can. Boom. Hold things loose this way. And you got one. You got these guys up here. These guys, you just pop them. And they release. That's how you pull the door panel out. Okay.